Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another moving day prep weekend video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Adriana and I am prepping to move. We are moving at the end of May, so I'm just getting my old apartment ready and just making sure that I handle things so that I can get my security deposit back. So I am patching up any holes I've made and, just replacing things like my kitchen cabinet pulls. I had swapped it out. These old ones that came with the apartment with some nice ones that I got from Amazon. So now I am putting back the ones that came with the apartment back on the cabinets. Here is a shot of the ones that I bought from Amazon. They're really pretty. They're black, sleek. I did a kitchen upgrade a couple years back, but I did not do the cabinets. And so just by changing up the pulls, it gives it a different look. Thankfully, I did keep the box and the original packaging so that it was easy for me to put away these pulls. Unfortunately, I didn't save the packaging for the other ones, the longer ones that were on the cabinet, so you'll see how I put those away. But thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video. It's a short one, but we're tackling the kitchen today. Like I said, patching up holes, I replaced the handles, and we're going to be cleaning my refrigerator. Hello. It is the next day and I am showing you a view of the chaos. So dining set is gone. They actually came to pick up the table last night. The same person who took the buffet table took the dining table, and this is it. It looks so weird without it, but at the same time, look at the madness. Look at the mess that I've been trying to avoid. Actually, this stuff is out here because I'm about to empty out my fridge and clean it. I want to take some pictures because I have to sell my refrigerator. The refrigerator is mine. It did not come with the apartment, but the new place has a fridge, a brand new one. So I asked the rental office if they wanted to buy it off of me, and they said no. Not sure why, but whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do now. As you guys can tell, rods are down. I had a little tier shelf there, took that down. I patched up holes and repainted, took down the curtain. I had my caraway pot tops here, took that down. Just want to kind of, you know, make sure the walls are good, patched up any holes. I don't think tiny little nails are gonna matter. It's just the big holes that I had made. So took care of that. Yeah, so I started dinner. It's been in the crock pot for a few hours already. So I did that. Gonna clear this out so I can put the stuff that's in the fridge. Guys, I bought myself a new drill. Well, I've never had a drill of my own. I found this one on Amazon. I'll link it for you guys below. I've used it already a few times. It's easy to use. You know, if you guys have never used a drill or like me, that it's really not handy, this is pretty easy to use and I'm happy with it. So I actually used that to put back the knobs. I showed you that yesterday. Took down the ones that I bought and replaced the ones that came with the apartment. You know, the cabinet poles. So the drill helped with that as well. So, you know, it's coming along. Living room is starting to look chaotic as well. I'm trying to, you know, contain the mess as much as I can. But, you know, it is what it is. I already also took down the shelves that were here. What else? I'm selling the mirror. I put that already on Facebook Marketplace. And I put the shelf, excuse me for the floor squeaking, guys. You guys know I have this issue. The shelving unit is also for sale. Put that on Facebook Market. I have not put my sofas yet just because like if I sell them, I'll have nowhere to sit right now. But I also am scared that if I don't hurry up and put them up, I might have a hard time selling them. I don't know, guys. I really don't like Facebook Marketplace. I don't have the patience for it. There's so many people that are not like serious or anything, and they ask you a million questions and then they end up not getting it, but whatever. We'll see what happens. I have my little pile of baskets, keeping all of that. Yeah, so moving along nicely. That's my motto. At least that's what I'm trying to convince myself. But yeah, it's you know, the moving is not easy. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. So let me start with the fridge. I want, like I said, to clean that out and take some pictures. I will say my refrigerator wasn't extremely dirty, but it definitely needed a good cleaning. I found a lot of dust all the way in the back, which was like surprising. I never knew so much dust can accumulate inside a refrigerator. And I was also running out of space on where to put these shelves. And this was me just emptying out what I had in my refrigerator. I hadn't done the freezer or the door yet. But I removed all the shelves, all the drawers, and I really just got in there and cleaned everything out to the best of my ability. Much better than what it was. I don't know if you guys could tell how dirty it was back here. Oh my goodness, had I not pulled out that shelf? It's so embarrassing. Who knew that so much dust could accumulate inside a refrigerator? But anyway, I'm going to wash the shelves and put them back in now. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the refrigerator. The door was not as bad at all as it was back there. I mean, all in all, the refrigerator wasn't terribly dirty, but I was just shocked about the dust back there. So let this be a reminder for you guys. When you clean your refrigerator, these are some water stains that got inside when I was washing the shelf. I don't know if those water stains are gonna come out. I hope so. That's all water in here. Hopefully that dries up. But yeah, so it's ready for me to take some pictures and hopefully I can sell this. One thing I do not like is to put things on top of the refrigerator. I just think that just makes the kitchen look so messy. But unfortunately, with my limited space in this kitchen, I've had to use the refrigerator for some storage. In the new apartment, I will not be doing this. I believe there's a cabinet on top of the refrigerator anyway. But I most certainly will not be doing this in the new apartment. It's not a good look, especially when it's an open floor plan, where the kitchen, you can see the kitchen from the living room and the dining area. So I've just never liked that, and I've never been happy doing that here. But again, with limited space, I had no choice. But guys, I am done. I am going to enjoy my dinner now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will link all my socials below. And until the next time, bye.